Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up every important file, photo, and app data to external storage. Also sync settings and accounts to the cloud for recovery. Export developer keys, unlock tokens, and OEM account info to a secure location. Ensure you know the exact device model and current bootloader version before proceeding. Charge the device to at least 60% battery to prevent interruption. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking in developer options temporarily to view current status. Reboot the device into bootloader mode using the correct hardware key combination. Connect the device to your computer with a reliable USB cable and confirm Fastboot recognizes it. Use the official command Fastboot OEM lock or Fastboot flashing lock as required by the manufacturer. Read the on-screen confirmation and accept that the lock will trigger a factory reset. Do not interrupt this process once it starts to avoid bricking the device. Wait for the bootloader to confirm the lock state before rebooting. After locking, verify the locked status using Fastboot OEM device info or by reading the bootloader screen. Reboot the device and confirm normal boot into the operating system and that security features are active. Restore your data only after you confirm the device boots and apps function properly. If the device does not boot, enter recovery mode and use official firmware or tools to flash the stock image. Contact the OEM support with device logs if problems persist or for guidance on warranty implications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.